Hi everyone, like I mentioned in one of the previous videos, I'm working on a card game. And this is very much inspired in Marvel Snap. Uh, and so far, in reality, there are 3 locations, just like they have, and there are 3 places you can place your cards on. I have an idea that I want to try in this game. It's a different thing that is not used in Marvel Snap, and I haven't seen a game that uses that. And I think it's an interesting concept that could be worked in this game. It's not working yet, I don't have it implemented, but I think this could work really well. In terms of art, it will add a layer of complexity, but yeah, well, let's just get straight into the game. So as you can see, really standard. You get, you are dealt your cards into your hand, you can place a card, and right now not much is going on. The turn doesn't change, the opponent's cards are revealed on purpose so I can see what it has, because there is some AI logic to play against me, but it's disabled right now. And the whole idea right now is, okay, I'm going to show this really rough prototype. It's not even working, it just has some interactions. And over the time, over the next weeks and months, I'll show the progress. And I want to show you how I do the server part, how I do the client part, how things are hooked up together, and how I deploy even to the servers. So we'll go through the whole process. I can't promise I'll show a lot of the code. Right now, I could actually show you. Let me switch to Rider here. There's not much. Right now, in the same folder, there's the script where I started to restructure a little bit. There's a client, common, server, and UI. And right now they are all together. It's easier to move around and just, change file and stuff. But what I want to do is then move them to a different base server folder and create an assembly definition there, and eventually have it completely separate so you can deploy just independently, not even needing Unity at all. And right now I'm just working on separating all this logic. We have entities, we have we'll have the card and the player and all that stuff. So these basic entities, and there's other stuff. There are locations, there are the slots where you can place the cards on. If we switch back to Unity. So the idea is that really, let's get the core of the game working. We don't have a server yet, so that's going to be number 1. From the very beginning, that's the focus of this prototype. Let's get the server running, let's get it playable, and even get an alpha out there for you guys on Discord. Unlike the MMORPG, so I did have a client that was working. I just didn't feel that it was a good client to put out there. Just the training area, it wasn't really fun. It didn't feel right. But with this one, I want to get it out there as soon as possible. It might be only maybe for Android to start an APK. It's a bit easier. I still have to register on Apple Developer Portal. But for those that don't have an Android, maybe I can just, export it as a WebGL application and you can just play it in the browser. So that will work as well. But yeah, this is what I have. It's really rough, but I want to put it out there just to show this rough version of the game, because I think it can be cool to see the evolution of the game. It's going to be portrait mode, and what else can I show you? A few prefabs, nothing fancy. There's the card prefab. It's really pretty much Marvel Snap in essence. Later on, it will change. I think the concept they have here is really nice, just simple power combination. But I want to try that with a different mechanic. I don't reveal it yet, although the name might suggest something. I might have to actually hide the name there, maybe a black bar. but I hope you guys will like it. I think it's gonna be pretty fun. But anyway, for an alpha version, it's gonna be just simple, place the cards down and the turn, and just go like that all the way to the end. And we'll work our way up into a final playable product that will go out to the stars. And whoever is there, you can all participate in the experience, you can participate in the alpha, contribute to the game, and let's see what happens. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me your comments in the comments section. Leave me a like, it really helps me out. And I'll see you on Discord in the next video. Bye.